Tiffany here with Cars Crafty Creations. Today's project is for Pajama Crafter Stamps, and this is part of their new release that just released last week. And I am going to be using the Buggin You stamp set, and it's this adorable, cute ladybug girl and ladybug, and it has to do with love and just fun little sentiments. Bugging You with Love is the one I'm going to be using. There's another one, Love You Bug Time, and it's actually kind of funny because my friend has I think it's a miniature Yorkie, but I don't think it's meant to be a miniature Yorkie, but it's a really small Yorkie, and she named it Bug. And so this stamp set kind of reminds me of her little doggy, even though these are ladybugs. She named it Bug though. Anyway, so I'm going to be making this project, and I'm also going to show the coloring of the project. I did color it ahead of time, and I'm using my Copic markers and my Prismacolor markers. So they're both alcohol markers, and they do work together, so I can actually use both collections together, which just expanded my color palette even more, giving me a lot more shades, or like the shades I was running out of, it replenished those without me having to buy new ones. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. And I thought it'd be totally fun to do like green stripe leggings and green hair and red stripes in her hair, and I just thought that was just going to be so cute. So when I saw the stamp set, I knew that this needed to be kind of like a little decor piece. So I kind of went in my stash and kind of looked around to figure out what I would make with this, and I thought a little sign would be really cute. Could go in like a little girl's room, or if you like ladybugs, on your office desk or something like that. But so I have these wood pieces in my stash already, and one's like I think the wood parts I'm going to use for the base are actually like candlestick holders that you get at the store. So I just painted them white with my regular, folk art white paint, and then I went through my stash to pick out some flowers. Now, I really spent a lot of time trying to figure out what the background color was going to be, because I was like, oh, I should do clouds, maybe I should do blue to make it seem like a sky. And I went through all of my 6x6 paper, and I just kept coming back to the yellow. I know it's not like a sky, but I also know that by the time I put the little ladybug girl on there, it's going to cover up a lot, as well as the flower. So I wasn't really that concerned about it not looking like a sky. And I think it also pops the yellow flowers out of her hair, so it kind of accents that, as well as the like yellow daisy that the ladybug is holding on to. So that was kind of my mindset on these. So as you may recall, my video before that, I was talking about how technology is just really kind of it's like its own gremlin. Like, there's a technology gremlin, and it shows up all random times, mostly when you don't want it to. So again, my video is lagging, so I don't know what I'm narrating, but I think I might have figured it out. So I'm gonna test that theory on my next video, but I think it has to do with me overlaying the coloring image. So the coloring video, I think it's just bogging down the system. So next video I will try it a little differently. But anyway, so I like to create kind of these shadow box dioramas and to add coloring stamps. It's kind of like the best of both worlds. Like, I'm really like a mixed media artist. That's where my mind goes. That's what I like. I go to the store and I just look for things that I can create with. And so having a stamp set that I can integrate into my mixed media shadow box dioramas is just another added element to the creative process. I really love coloring, so this gives me the ability to color and take that coloring and turn it into something different. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, is I'm creating this little stand sign. So the sign is gonna go on top of that candlestick wood piece that I showed, and then I'm gonna go and get moss and flowers and leaves and everything from my stash to kind of tie in the idea that this little girl is in grass and flowers, because that's, I mean, what she's standing on in the image is she's standing on some grass and she's interested in this ladybug on the ground. So now we're going to take that idea and tie it into a overall concept, art concept, and do this mixed media project with that idea in mind. When it came to the little ladybug with the daisy, I wasn't really sure what to do, because if I put him in the scene, he was likely going to get covered up by her very fun, colorful, curly hair. So I thought I would bring that to the top of the hexagon, and I like to create like these little fold, I score them, make a little stand for the images to adhere to so that they will stand up. I've showed that in another video when I did the baby blocks using the stamp set Savannah Babies, and so I did kind of the same thing here. That's kind of just how I like to get things to be dimensional without having to stack a bunch of stuff behind it, and so that's what I did with him. And then I filled in around him with the moss and the flowers and then the mushrooms that I got from my stash as well. So overall, I think the project came out how I envisioned it to come out. I think it just creates this cohesive art piece using the stamp set and some additional kind of mixed media elements. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go head over to Pajama Crafter Stamps. They have a lot of very cute stamps that can be used for many things, not just cards, but also some mixed media projects or dimensional projects, scrapbook pages. They're technically, stamps are also technically embellishments. So head on over there, check out the new release. There is quite a few really stamp sets. One of the ones I will probably be using next is from the same release. It's called Flower Child, and it's kind of like this hippie vibe girl, and like I feel like I want to become this stamp because she looks like she is very at peace and just enjoying just everything. So that's going to be my video for my next video, is using that stamp set. But head on over there. They have a lot of other things. They have pattern paper to go along with the stamps. You can interchange them. You can combine them all together. Last month we did a Chips Week celebration where we combine different stamp sets. It's just a way to challenge yourself into creating something beyond the norm. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.